Okay, boys and girls, this week's spelling words. The first word is where. We're going to spell where like a basketball player. Grab your basketball. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Number 2 is the word they. We're going to spell the word they like a chicken. Feathers up. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. Number 3 is but. Grab your guitar. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. Number 4 is the word do. We're going to spell do again like a basketball player. D-O, do. D-O, do. Number 5 is she. Let's try another one. We're going to do she like a cheerleader. Grab your pom-poms. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. Number 6 is the word able. We're going to spell able like a boxer. Grab your gloves. A, B, L, E, able. A, B, L, E, able. Number 7 is the word table. Oh, boxer again. T, A, B, L, E, table. T, A, B, L, E, table. Oh, let's try another. Candle. Get your feathers up. C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. Handle. Grab your basketball. H-A-N-D-L-E, handle. H-A-N-D-L-E, handle. We haven't done the soldier yet. Let's try. Oh, well, twinkle. We're going to do the twinkle like the soldier. So we're going to stomp out our letters and we're going to salute the word. T-W-I-N-K-L-E, twinkle. T-W-I-N-K-L-E, twinkle. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to practice these words every day so that you can do well on your spelling test next week. Look for patterns and things that will help you remember. All 5 of these words end with the syllable L-E at the end. Able, if you can spell able, then you can spell table. They rhyme. Candle and handle, they rhyme. If you can spell candle, then you change it. Put an H instead of a C and you can spell handle. And twinkle is the name of the story that we're reading this week. So, good luck with practicing all your words. I know you're going to do great.